Welcome to Kroolo. In this video, we will see how to use engineering productivity to monitor team productivity and delivery performance in sprints. This is our sprints dashboard. First, go to the Engineering Intelligence section, then click on Engineering Productivity. Here you'll see engineering productivity for the connected repository. Make sure your repository is connected. Just go to Repo integration and connect your repository from there. Once it's connected, all the data will show up here. At the top, you get a quick overview of team productivity. You can see the total members, pull requests, and total commits. To see more details, click on View Details. And we can see all the commits here. Let's close this. Similarly, you can check more details for pull requests and total members. Down here, the graph shows development activity. When you hover over, you'll see branches, commits, and pull requests for a specific day. You can use these arrows to go back and forth. Use the options at the bottom of the chart to toggle individual metrics on or off. Next, we have team velocity metrics. Here you can see active branches, average activity and pull requests, and average review time. If you scroll down, you'll see estimated versus actual user stories in sprints on a weekly basis. When you hover over, you'll see data for a specific week. You can enable or disable these metrics from here. Down here, you'll see estimated stories per week, actual stories per week, and the accuracy rate. If you want to check data for a different time period, just click on this at the top. From here, you can select 14 days or 7 days. That's how you can use engineering productivity to monitor team productivity and delivery performance in sprints.